Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to English Literature's class. Today we are going to read a poem, Our Duty to Our Flag. This poem is composed by Edgar Albert Guest, who is also called Eddie Guest. Our duty, हमारा फर्ज to our flag, हमारे परचम के लिए. As we all know that flag is a representative of a country or a nation. Flag is also a symbol of pride, dignity and strength of a nation or a country. So let's start it. Less hate and greed, कम नफ़रत और लालच इज़ वट वी नीड, हमारी ज़रूरत है. एंड मोर ऑफ सर्विस ट्रू, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खिदमत की हकीकत. मोर मैन टू लव, ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ प्यार. द फ्लैग अबव, बुलंद परचम. एंड कीप इट फर्स्ट इन व्यू, और इसे सबसे पहले पेश नज़र रखना. Actually, in this stanza, the poet wants to say that we should always prefer our national interest. We should give true services to our country. We should do love to our nation's people. We should always do something to keep first to our flag. In the next stanza, the poet says that less boast and brag, come command or shaky about the flag. मोर फेथ इन वट इट मीन्स, ज़्यादा यकीन इस बात पे इसका मतलब क्या है. मोर हेड्स इरेक्ट, ज़्यादा सर बुलंद. मोर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, ज़्यादा सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. लेस टॉक ऑफ वार मशीन्स, कम वार मशीन्स के बारे में बात करना. एक्चुअली इन दिस स्टांजा द पोइट्स हाईलाइट दैट वी शुड नॉट बूस्ट और ब्रैग अबाउट द फ्लैग. वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप इट माइंड दैट वट अ फ्लैग मीन्स. We should always keep our heads erect. We should always do respect to others and get respect in response. We should not talk about war machine. We should stay in peace. In the next stanza, the poet says that the time to fight, जब लड़ने का वक़्त है. To keep it bright, इसको रोशन रखने के लिए. Is not along the way, रास्ते में नहीं है. Nor cross the foam, ना ही बाहर के मुल्क में. बट हियर एट होम, बल्कि यहाँ पर अपने वतन में. विद इन आर सेल्व्स टुडे, आज हमारे अंदर. एक्चुअली इन दिस स्टांजा द पोएट सेज दैट when the time comes to fight for the brightness, for the dignity of our country, we should not leave our country. We should stay at home. We should stay in our country to protect it. In the next stanza, the poet says that tis we must love, हमें मोहब्बत करना होगी. दैट फ्लैग अबव, ये बुलंद परचम. विद ऑल आर माइट एंड मेन, अपनी पूरी ताकत और अहमियत के साथ. फॉर फ्रॉम आर हैंड्स, हमारे हाथों से. नॉट डिस्टेंस लैंड, दूर दराज के इलाकों से नहीं. शैल कम डिसऑनर स्टेन, बेइज्जती का दाग मिलेगा. In this stanza, the poet says that we should always love to our flag. We should always do something with our full might and with our full power and with all importance. We should always protect our country. If the stain of dishonor comes, it will be our actions that will bring it. In the next stanza, the poet says that if that flag be dishonor, अगर इस परचम को डिसऑन किया जाता है. we have done it, हमने ये किया है. not the foe, दुश्मन ने नहीं किया. if it shall fall, और अगर ये गिरता है. we first of all, तो सबसे पहले हम गिरेंगे. shall be to strike a blow, सबसे पहले हम होंगे ठोकर खाने वाले, धचका खाने वाले. After reading the poem, we have the main vocabulary of this poem, such as greed, a strong desire for more wealth, possession, for power. Dishonor, loss of honor or respect. Brag, to talk too proudly about something you own. Erect, in vertical position. Foe, an enemy. We have also some exemplary sentences. Greed, greed is a curse. Dishonor, Ali has been dishonored by his friends. Brag, Ali often brags on his wealth. Erect, this statue has erected 10 years ago. Foe, rats are great foe of the crops. Learn vocabulary by heart and make sentences by using these vocabulary words. You can learn the sentences I have already discussed, but try yourself to make it by yourself. Thank you.